Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. The SQL Server instance is installed and running, and you have Ssms installed. Once done, launch Ssms as administrator to avoid permission issues. In the Connect to Server dialog, type the server name exactly, use hostname /instance, or IP, and be ready with either Windows authentication or a SQL login. Make sure you know whether the instance uses a custom port. If so, append 1433 or the correct port. This gets you into the connection flow fast. Next, you configure the connection path. Open SQL Server Configuration Manager and enable TCP/IP. Set the IP and port if needed, then restart the SQL Server service so changes apply. If you use a named instance, make sure SQL Server Browser is running so clients can discover the instance. Also, open the firewall for the port, typically 1433, or add a rule for the SQL Server exe process. Once done, test connectivity from your client machine with Telnet or Testnet connection to confirm the path is open. Finally, connect in Ssms and verify Object Explorer populates with databases and server nodes. Once connected, open a new query and run a quick command like select top5* from sys. Databases to confirm you have permissions, and the server responds. If you plan to reconnect later, save the registered server. If things go wrong, first recheck credentials and instance name. Next, verify TCP/IP is enabled, and the correct port is open in the firewall. Then ensure the SQL Server service is running before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.